There is no denying that operating a dropshipping business has several advantages. However, the dropshipping business concept is not a get-rich-quick scheme as is commonly believed. It's important to have a basic understanding of the dropshipping business model before diving into particular strategies for making money online using dropshipping. You'll need to consider 3 different players for this. Number 1. The merchant, that's you. Number 2. The customer. Number 3. The supplier. Typical online e-commerce entails the merchant making purchases from suppliers and storing those goods. When a customer makes a purchase, the vendor sends the item to the buyer. However, with dropshipping, the retailer has no involvement in the inventory process. They instead rely on internet sales to move the supplier's stock. This means the shipping process is taken care of by the supplier. Because of your position as a merchant, you play a vital role in linking buyers and sellers. To succeed profitably in this position, you must first determine how you can benefit the buyer and seller during this transaction. You can add value to both your customers and suppliers by doing the following. Number 1. Find exciting new items. You can attract customers that share your interests in similar products by creating a business with a distinct brand and character. For instance, if your specialty is ecological goods, you may introduce eco-conscious consumers to a variety of excellent green product vendors. Number 2. Provide a high-quality experience for users and respond quickly to their needs. Make a website that is fun to explore and easy to use. Provide service and support that modern online customers have come to expect. Number 3. Market and establish your brand. Develop a dedicated fan base, and your advert will reach the people most likely to buy your goods. Remember that when you add value, you make money in your dropshipping venture. Now let's look at 5 ways to increase your dropshipping profits. All of these guidelines come straight from the experience of thriving online business owners. Tip number 1. Identify your place in the market. So where can I look for a specific market to target for my dropshipping business? Simple. It needs to be something you're really into. What you sell ought to be something that interests a sizable number of potential customers. Entrepreneurs who follow their passions tend to be excellent communicators across a wide range of fields, from branding and photography to social media and beyond. Marketing and campaign messages that lack creativity will not be enough to propel your business to the next level. If you truly believe in what you're selling, it will come out in your interactions with customers. You need to be sure that your niche is lucrative enough to support an online shop. It's great that you have such a deep interest in outdoor lounge chairs. However, the number of people who are willing to pay you to share your enthusiasm about patio furniture may be small. You need to identify a niche that share your interests. But how do you do that? More sales prospects and loyal clients may typically be found in markets that cater to people's interests and passions. Take some time to consider the interests that are important to you and that also have a high probability of being widely shared. Check to discover if the topic you're interested in is trending by using social media or Google Trends. It's better to focus on emerging markets than on mature ones. Tip number 2. Create a recognizable and respected brand. The success of your dropshipping business depends on the strength of your brand rather than the quality of any product you sell. One of the most important places to create value is in branding. So, what characteristics mark a successful brand? There are 3 important things to consider: quality, consistency, and value. With the rise of e-commerce, it has become increasingly important to establish credibility. Customers won't spend money in your store if they don't believe in it. And there is much your brand can do to initiate and maintain that confidence. Customers will feel more comfortable giving you their money if they see professional branding materials, a user-friendly website, and an active social media presence. Consistency in brand voice and tone is a hallmark of successful businesses across all channels of interaction with their customers. Iconic brands like Lego, Harley-Davidson, Nike, or Disney do an excellent job of conveying their brand identity across all of their customer touchpoints. This not only demonstrates your professionalism and care for details, but also enhances the customer's experience with your company. Ask yourself, how would my brand say this? Whenever you're creating anything, whether it's a FAQ, Facebook ads, or an updated product page. You can also give some thought to the things you buy, those that share your brand's style and level of quality. Ultimately, consumers' brand preferences are a reflection of their own identities and worldviews. In other words, be firm in your beliefs and make no bones about the values you hold dear. It may be as simple as adjusting how you express yourself. Consider Dollar Shave Club, a popular online retailer known for its straightforward approach to advertising. The very name of the organization gives you an idea of what they believe in. The best way to stand out from the crowd as a newcomer is to model your approach after that of successful businesses. Of course, you shouldn't replicate. Use the quality of these established brands as a benchmark to ensure your own product lives up to the same standards. You can even combine features from other brands to make your own special product. Everything counts when creating a brand, from the choice of colors to the adverbs used in describing your products. The success of your online business hinges on the strength of your brand. It will help you separate yourself from the competition and convert one-time customers into loyal patrons. Tip number 3. Make everything automated. In order to save time and money, most dropshipping business owners employ a number of technological tools. This will improve the general functioning of your company. Because of this, you'll have more time for the things that really matter, like discovering new items, expanding your business, and connecting with your customers. With the help of automation software, you can easily process orders and keep track of stock levels at your supplier's warehouse without lifting a finger. In addition, chatbots are a terrific way to make your customer service unbreakable and save time. These AI-powered digital assistants are able to deliver answers to common questions as long as they aren't very complex. This will increase your response time and take care of routine support concerns, allowing you to concentrate on more complex or crucial inquiries. The sales process can be automated as well. Many applications now provide instantaneous communication options like email, texts, and push notifications. Customers receive these on a regular basis, including after they have abandoned a shopping cart or haven't made a purchase. Tip number 4. Go to e-commerce conventions. Participating in such events is a great way to get first-hand advice and guidance from seasoned dropshipping businesses. Rather than starting from scratch, it's better to study the experience of others. Talking to platform specialists or service providers in person might save you a lot of time and energy compared to spending months or even years figuring out what you need through trial and error. The ins and outs of various technologies and their advantages will become crystal clear to you. In-person meetings are ideal for discussing your business's unique demands and narrowing in on the platform or management system that will best serve them. Industry-related events can put you in touch with credible wholesalers and merchants who may be interested in your idea down the road. Tip number 5. Deliver exceptional service to your clients. You can't achieve long-term financial success and satisfy customers without providing outstanding customer service. For brand new businesses, this is crucial. HubSpot found that customers are more inclined to comment about an online store after either a positive or negative interaction with the support team. Because of this, you need to provide such outstanding service that your satisfied clients will enthusiastically spread the word and never have cause for complaint. Now that you know how to get started with dropshipping as a work-at-home opportunity, you can begin promoting your website. If you still don't know how to get the ball rolling, SaleWho can connect you with over 8,000 suppliers and over 2.5 million products, so you can start your dropshipping business right away. We left you a link down below to make it easier for you to get started. Now that you have the tools to start your dropshipping business, you should watch our next video to learn how to take advantage of promoting your brand on social media sites such as TikTok. Or, if you want to learn how to make money on TikTok, then click on this next video.